So today we're going to paint. I love to paint. And we're going to use these paints. Now you might not have seen these paints before. This is tempera cake paints because they're kind of like a little cake in there. So you're going to use these today. Now first we're going to draw a flower and we're going to take our petals all the way off the edges. So here's one I did. Here's another one I did. Now all these cool lines, we're going to add these on next time. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take an oil pastel. Now an oil pastel is kind of like a souped up crayon, okay? Don't get this on your clothes because this is hard to come off. So what I want you to do now is take your paper and I want you to make a big circle or oval in the center. So make a nice big one in the center. Now we're going to make petals and we're going to take them off the edges of the paper. So go right off the edge onto that mat. So make your petals, start them in the center and go out. Take them right off the edge of that mat. So make some petals for me. Now if you want, you could do a second circle in here, but you don't have to. That's strictly up to you. So get all your petals going off the edges. Once you have that done, then we're going to start using these paints. Now these paints, we have to use water. So we're going to put some water on to wake them up, and then we're going to paint. Now when we paint, we go water, paint, and the paper. Notice I'm using the edge of my brush, kind of like a ballerina on her tippy toes. Don't go like this and destroy your brush. No, 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 no. We want to go nicely with our brushes on the edge. The longer the water sits on there, the darker the colors will get. Now, once you get one petal colored, now you're going to color the next petal. Wash your brush out really well and move to the next color. Now, you could do each petal a different color if you want, or you could use one or two colors for your petals. That is strictly up to you, what you would like your flowers to look like. But use some water. Now, do we ever take the water and pour it into our paint? No, we never do that. So just finish coloring all your petals today. Now, if you get all your petals finished and you still have some time, you could paint in between your petals like I did with the screen, but you don't have to. You could do it just like this, and this is just fine too. Tomorrow, we're going to add all these cool different lines and designs on it. So for today, we're just going to worry about painting our petals. And remember, wash your brush in between each color. And you could use as many colors or as few colors as you would like. It's strictly up to you and your design. I can't wait to see these flowers.